Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the third main. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution and cross multiplication method. Here they given a pair of equations. We have to solve these equations by substitution method and by cross multiplication method. Okay. First I will go through substitution method. So I will take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation number 1, now I'll write 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. Am I right? I have taken a 5y to the right side. Then x is equal to how much? 9 minus 5y divided by 8. Okay. Now I will substitute this x value in equation number 2. Okay. So equation number 2 implies 3 into x is nothing but this value, that is 9 minus 5y divided by 8 plus 2y is equal to what? 4. Now we shall take LCM here. LCM has 8 and similarly we have to multiply it by 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 5 3s are 15y plus now 8 2s are 16y. Right? Then after taking LCM, that 8 I will send it to the right side. It will become 8 4s are 32. Now minus 15y plus 16y, that is how much? Plus y. 27. This I will take this 27 to the right side. This is equal to minus 15 plus 16y is plus y. Now I will take this 27 to the right side. That is 32 minus 27. 32 minus 27 is how much? 5. Okay. So the value of y is 5. So I have to find the value of x by substituting y value either in equation number 1 or in 2. Put y value. Put y value in equation number 1. So 8x plus 5y. 5 5s are, it is 25 is equal to 9. Right? Then 8x is equal to 9 minus 25. That is how much? Minus 16. Right? 9 minus 25 it is. Then x is equal to how much? Minus 16 divided by 8. That is minus 2. So 8 2s are 16 it is. Okay. So we got x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 by substitution method. This is all by substitution method. Now we can write here by substitution method. By substitution method. Okay. Now we have to solve by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Now for this method, first you should write the given equations in standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. You must write. Okay. Otherwise you will get a different answer. Okay. Plus sign minus sign will be different. Okay. Now for that I have to write it in standard form. 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Like this. Okay. Now here for this equation 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we can apply the method. Okay. First you should write it in a equal to 0 form. Now the first variable is here x. X divided by, leave this term, minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20. 5 4s are minus. Multiply this. Minus 9 into 2. Minus into minus it is plus. 9 2s are 18 is equal to. Next second variable is y. For that I should write minus y. Okay. Now leave this term. Minus 4 into 8. Minus 32. Minus. Minus 9 into 3. That is minus into minus plus. 9 3s are 27 is equal to constant, that is 1 divided by, leave this term, 8 2s are 16 minus 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now x divided by minus 20 plus 18, that is minus 2, minus y divided by minus 32 plus 27, that is minus 5. Then this is 1 divided by 1, that is equal to what? 1. Now we shall take the first and last term, that is x divided by minus 2 is equal to 1, and one more, minus minus will get cancelled, y divided by 5 is equal to 1. Okay. Now from this I can write by cross multiplication I will get x is equal to minus 2, and here so y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 5. Okay. So the same answers I got by cross multiplication method as well as by substitution method. Okay. So for this method, but you should remember that you have to write it in a standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we shall discuss the fourth main. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. In this main they given some statements. For those statements we have to form pair of linear equations. Then if the solution exists, we have to find that solution by any algebraic method, either by substitution method or by elimination method or by cross multiplication. Okay, any one method you can follow. Let us see the first question in that. In the fourth main, the first question. You see the question. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student capital A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charges and cost of food per day. So let us take the fixed charge as x and the cost of food per day as y. So let the fixed charge, let the fixed hostel charge, or you can take only charge, fixed charge is equal to x rupees. Similarly, cost of food per day, cost of food per day, I will take it as what? Y rupees. Now we come to the statement once again. A student A takes food for 20 days. She has to pay rupees 1000. So this is fixed. Already we solved this type of problems in the previous classes. This is fixed. For any extra days, we have to pay the amount for that extra day, extra food it is. Okay. So x plus the student A pays 1000 rupees for 20 days. Means, can I write it as 20y is equal to 1000? Understood? So this is the fixed charge. It is fixed for everyone. Okay. If there is any extra food for each day, that cost for food is y rupees for day it is. So how many days she has taken extra? 20 days. So x plus 20y, that will be the total cost she has paid, that is 1000. Let us take this as equation number 1. We formed one equation and one more equation. The statement, another statement, student B who takes food for 26 days paid 1180. Similarly, x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Can write? So she has taken 26 day extra. So total fixed is x plus 26y. Total amount paid is 1180. Okay. Now I'll take this as equation number 2. Okay, they said you to form the pair of linear equation we form. Then again they ask you to find their solution by any algebraic method if the solution exists. Okay. Now I will solve these equations by elimination method. You can go through any method, same answers you will get. So by elimination method it is very easy to find the value of x or y. Now here x is there, here also x is there. I will subtract these two equations. In that x term will get vanish. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2 implies, okay, or subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. Now first equation write x plus 20y is equal to 1000. One more, x plus 26y is equal to 1180. We are subtracting these. Minus minus minus. So here x get cancelled. 20 minus 26, that is minus 6y. Now 1000 minus 1180, that is minus 180. Okay. Now minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to how much? 180 divided by 6. So y is equal to 6 3s are 80. So that is 30. So y is nothing but what it is? It is the cost of food per day. That is 30 rupees. At the end you can write the conclusion. Y equal to how much? We got 30. Now we have to find the value of x. Put y value. Put y value in equation number 1. So 30 it is x plus 20 into 30. 2 3s are 6. It means 600 is equal to 1000, right? So x is equal to how much? 1000 minus 600. How much it is? 400 rupees. Okay. So the fixed charge is 400 rupees and the cost of food per day is 30 rupees. Okay. Now we have to write the conclusion. Therefore, fixed charge. Therefore, fixed charge is equal to, fixed charge I have taken x. X is nothing but how much? 400 rupees. You must write the unit. And cost of food per day. Per day charge also I can write. Per day charge. Per day charge. It is equal to y. Y is nothing but how much? 30. 30 rupees. Okay. This is how we can find the values of x and y. X and y. Here no need to mention which method you are using. Okay. No need to mention it. Directly you can solve by any method. Now the second question. You see the question. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Let us take the fraction as x divided by y. Let the fraction be. Let the fraction be x divided by y. Now you can see the statement. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. 1 is subtracted from the denominator, numerator means x minus 1. 1 is subtracted from the numerator divided by y is equal to, because becomes, a fraction becomes what? 1 divided by 3 means equal to 1 by 3. Now we shall write this in a standard form. By cross multiplication I will get it as 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Now we take it to the left side. 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Right? Or you can take this 3 to the right side also. I will keep this 3 to the right side. Both are same, no change at all. Okay, I have taken this y to the left side and 3 to the right side. Next, second condition in that. And it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. If we wish to add 8 to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 4. It means x divided by y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. I can write 1 by 4 because they said it. A fraction becomes 1 by 4 means equal to 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Okay. Again same simplification. 4x is equal to y plus 8. Take this y to the left side. 4x minus y is equal to 8. This has equation number 2. Now we got the pair of linear equations. We have to find the solution, okay, by any method. Now you observe these two equations. Here minus y is there, here also minus y is there. By subtracting these equations, y term will get vanished. Then automatically you can find the value of x. So that I can write as equation number 1 minus equation number 2 implies first equation right hand 3x minus y equal to 3 and one more 4x minus y is equal to 8. We are subtracting these equations. Plus is there, minus. Minus is there, plus. Plus is there, minus. Right? 3x minus 4x, that is how much? Minus x. 3 minus 4 it is. Then minus y plus y get cancelled is equal to 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. So again minus minus will get cancelled. So x is equal to how much? 5. Now we shall substitute this x value in 1 or 2. Put x value. Now this is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 minus y is equal to 3. Now we'll take this y to the right side and 3 to the left side. Y is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. So here y equal to 12 and x equal to 5. So we have to write the conclusion now. The fraction will be x divided by y. Therefore, fraction is x by y. X is 5 divided by 12. Okay. The fraction is 5 by 12.